weekend, reaching back into the 40s, maybe near 50 by Christmas Day.
Not picnic weather, but not bad.
Not bad, no.
Okay, thanks, Jim.
Sorry to rain on your Christmas picnic. Finally tonight, like father, like son. That saying doesn't hold true much anymore, especially when it comes to passing on old-fashioned trades like antique restoration. There's a father and son team from Stamford, however, who've made sure that their dying art is very much alive and well. Taken its toll on the streets of Stamford's blighted South End. But inside, far from the madding crowd, 64-year-old Raphael DeVito makes the old and broken down beautiful again.
That's one of the reasons why I went into this business. I love making things, and I get a satisfaction out of making a nice piece of furniture out of some lumber.
Raphael learned his craft 40 years ago, sweeping up sawdust at Stamford's Erskine and Danforth Furniture Factory. Today, he has his own antique restoration business that he runs with his son, Mark.
I like working on the antiques because it's a part of history, and you think what was going on in the world when this piece was around, and to actually be able to work on it and then see it come out all restored, that's a pleasure right there.
Raphael and his son make their painstaking repairs the old-fashioned way, preferring to use 150-year-old hand tools instead of today's modern cabinet-making methods. In fact, the most high-tech piece of equipment in the shop is a dentist drill, which Mark uses to restore gold leaf picture frames. This type of restoration work takes time, and because of that, Raphael and his son often put in 15-hour days. But with a shop full of museum-quality pieces, they say they never get tired or bored.
I don't even realize the time goes by so fast. I look at the clock, my goodness, time to go home already, because I enjoy what I'm doing.
Raphael and Mark DeVito say they repair about 15 to 20 antiques a week, many of which are brought in by owners who live as far away as New York City.
Hard to find people who can do that.
That's the truth.
See you tomorrow.
I'm Sarah Arnold. Good night.
See you.